Hurricane Ian is bringing puddles and streams to the streets of Lynchburg, Virginia. According to Virginia meteorologist George Flinkinger, the south-central Virginia city of Lynchburg experienced 40 to 50 miles per hour wind gusts over the weekend. A whopping 102,000 residents in the area of Lynchburg lost power to the aggressive weather. Countless events and stores had to temporarily close down. We spoke to a Lynchburg citizen, Carissa Grash, about her experience with this weather.
So honestly, the rain has made things really difficult. It's changed a lot of plans, and it required a lot of planning ahead. I had to make sure I had lots of food in my dorm and water in case things completely closed because the roads have been crazy. And I had thrown a party the other night, and the rain kind of messed up the whole thing. A lot of people had to stay overnight because they couldn't leave because the rain was so bad. I know some trees were falling down, the power went out at one point, and then I actually got into an accident because of the rain.
However, there is light at the end of the tunnel for Lynchburg residents. Starting Monday, the skies will open and the temperature will rise from the brisk 50s to the blissful 60s.
But in the meantime, be sure to wear a raincoat or carry around an umbrella so that you don't catch a cold. I'm Jenny Craddock, and this is Journalism 356 News.